All right, Daisy, here comes Lily. Daisy rounding second. All right, Alex. Alex Jarrett. Alex, big Alabama fan. Alex, you got anything to say, Alex?
Woo, Dad!
That's what I'm talking about. All right, you know what college team Alex likes. Okay, Alex.
He's my son. At that moment, he's my son. Not his, he's my son.
Alex, watch the ball.
Watch the ball, Alex.
All right. First pitch swinging. Alex Jarrett. And the final batter for the purple team is sitting Ellie Meeks.
Did you tape it?
Yes, I taped it.
Woo! Good job, man.
Way to go, Alex. Nice job, bud. Good going.